Morning everyone, day before the exams 2024. Just want to go through a couple of things to make sure you remember everything you need to for tomorrow. Firstly, make sure you know the difference between growth and development. Growth is obviously an increase in GDP, whereas development is an improvement in education, life expectancy and or GDP. Watch for this is the question. Make sure you're answering the question. If the question's about development, talk about development. If it's about growth, refer to growth. Answer the question. Second, make sure you know the difference between actual and potential growth. So actual growth is a shift out of the AD curve, where it can be shown here from negative output gap, or here with the Keynes, and potential shift out of the ALRIS. This one's not been finished off here, hasn't got your output points on, but I'm sure you could add that in for me. Third point, make sure you understand what a wage price spiral is. I am absolutely convinced this is going to be on. This is absolutely hot because it's economics, which hasn't been able to be questioned for the past decade or so because there hasn't been an issue with it in the UK, whereas there has in the last 24 months. This is going to be on your exam. Wage price spiral occurs whereby factors of production anticipate higher levels of inflation, therefore they demand higher wages. This increases costs, which is then passed on to higher prices, inflation, which then increases the anticipated inflation by factors of production in the following year. So if you expect inflation to be 2%, you ask for 4% pay rise, costs increase, prices increase. The next year you expect 6% and so on and so on. It gets bigger each time. Make sure you've looked at paper 2 2019, the one on financial markets, and ensure that you've looked at the Tutor 2 video that I posted last night, and obviously our friend Econ Plus Del. Okay?